Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today is all about CPU water cooling from Be Quiet. Pure Loop, quiet and superior cooling. Pure Loop 360mm is the new high-performing and silent all-in-one water cooling for heavily overclocked systems. And even the most demanding application can be used reliably. An immense cooling power provides low temperatures even during periods of peak CPU performance. It is a great choice for creators, gamers and more. Well, let's open to see what we have at the box and find out more about this product, set up to my new PC build and see how it's performing. Nice package. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Pure Loop, there is the huge radiator. I like this black mat. Flexible sleevey tubes for convenient mounting ensure easy handling. Warning, please tear off the tape before use it. Nickel coated gold plate allow optimum use of liquid metal thermal compound. Be Quiet logo here, all black design and white LED illumination, aluminum style cooling block that guarantees the Pure Loop to look good at any system. Matte black, it is my favorite. Here we have the refill port, easy to access, which makes refill safe and comfortable. And with the included coolant bottle, additional guarantees a long lifespan. You can refill the radiator, unscrew this and refill the radiator. Double decoupled pump for smooth and silent operation. There it is. Thanks to the effective damping, the pump causes only minimal noise and vibration. Well, we're gonna find out in that. And at the box we have so many accessories. The thermal paste for the CPU. And of course we have the three fans. Name it Pure Wings 2. 120mm fan provides very quiet operation and high cooling performance. Its 9 airflow optimized fan blades makes the Pure Wings 2 the ideal fan for Pure Loop's aluminum radiator. I like the design. Four-pin connection for every fan. Now let's check in the accessories, so many accessories. We have the kit for Intel. For me it is all about AMD, but let's open that just to check for Intel what it has. Intel 17 and 18. We're just going to show you what it has at the box. Maybe you want to buy for your Intel CPU. The back plate for Intel CPU, and we have screws. That's all about the Intel. AMD. These two brackets with the screws. Some screws here and here. 3-in-1 cable, 3 connections from the fans and 1 connection to the motherboard. And another cable for the LED light and the pump if you don't want to connect directly to the motherboard. It depends the system that you have. Maybe you want to connect these cables directly to your motherboard. Well, I will check where I can connect all this at my motherboard. And of course, here we have a 3-pin connection for the pump, 2-pin connection. This is for the LEDs. Because the pump it is here we have only to power on the LED around. Everything included. I think it's about time. Let's move on for installation and see how it works. I have removed the 2 brackets from the motherboard and installed the 2 CPU brackets from the water cooling. It is very easy to do that. You just have to remove 4 screws and then use the screws from the water cooling. And keep the back plate from the motherboard as it is. Apply thermal paste and then remove the protective film and install the cooling plate at the CPU. The only thing that I need to do is to screw these 2 screws until the end. They have protection for overscrewing, so you don't have to worry. I have chosen to connect the cable for the LED light at my motherboard directly and the water pump at the fan connection on my motherboard, because it is compatible. And I can adjust the one side of the water pump with a tube for better installation. And is looking great. The whole process installing at my PC takes about 15 minutes. Black matte from the radiator is looking great with my PC case. You need to install 12 screws, the radiator with the fans together. And the fan blades, they have a great design, are fitting perfect with my PC case. Right now it's working without load, normal conditions, and is so quiet. I like the white LED ring, is simple, and with my white graphics card is looking great. Same and for the fan at the front. Now let's check the temperature on fully load with my AMD CPU. And I can see is about 71 Celsius. I think is very acceptable for me. CPU, even when I'm gaming, is not working in fully load, so the temperature is lower. But if you are a creator, meaning editing video, then it will work in full the CPU, and you will have these temperature results. In my case, as a creator, it is very acceptable on production to have this temperature and noise. Overall, my experience with this CPU water cooling is good. I like the design, the fan noise and the temperature on my CPU. More videos are coming from my newest PC build. That's why don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.